I would like to share with you the step-by-step process of operating the handcart for the high-voltage switch cabinet vacuum circuit breaker in the KY28 type. This particular model uses a spring-stored energy mechanism which can be powered by either an electric motor or manual operation. In our case, we have chosen the electric motor for energy storage. To begin, we need to store energy by switching on the energy storage function. Once the energy storage is complete, the corresponding indicator light will illuminate. However, it is important to reset the system at this point to ensure safety. Now let's move on to the closing process. The closing coil inside the device is responsible for initiating the closing mechanism and allowing the vacuum circuit breaker to close, creating a connection with the power supply. To trigger the closing action, simply press the closing button, which activates the coil and the corresponding mechanism. Let's try it now. As you can see, the breaker is closed, indicated by the illuminated closing status light. If you want to open the breaker, press the sharing button, which energizes the opening coil and triggers the mechanism to open. Let me show you how it works. Now the breaker is open. You can easily observe the real-time status of the breaker.